Right, I like drying all my clothes on bed and bath because it's one of the best programs on these dryers. Alright, only a few things in. So, we're on bed and bath. Press OK. Comes up with that. You can change the type of... Yep. No, you can't. It's on extra dry, so it don't work on hotels. It just goes on to extra dry at 4 hours 53. Don't be put off by how long time is, because it doesn't go that long. Press start. Takes a couple of seconds. It says that. All you can see is my body in glass, being black. It closes and nearly dry. It starts going down in seconds and not minutes. But there's just some dial on it when it's drying. That's when you're cooling down. And this is like for your anti-crease care. Will stay on up to 10 hours. If you're working and you don't want your clothes crease, you just put this top button on here and it'll put crease care on for 10 hours. So if you've got long shifts, it comes in handy. So your clothes are not all creased. Can I have a signal? And this is on motorcycle program. This one, and it gives you extra programs on this dial. When it's auto cleaning, it comes on this dial as well. When your filters are mucky or all like that, it comes on this L, on screen. But yeah, that's mixed eco cotton, synthetics, daily wools, silks, baby duvet, motorcycle shirts, jeans, anti-allergen, pre-iron, rapid and refresh. And refresh is only for dry clothes. You put them in and it'll just tumble them for 20 minutes. Dry clothes, to refresh dry clothes. Rapid is only for 1 kilogram, so like rate lead things. Pre-iron, if you've got a dressing gown and you're getting a bath or a shower, throw it in and it'll warm your dressing gown up on a cold knee for 36 minutes. By the time you open the door, your pajamas and that'll be warm. Your anti-allergen, you know what every other programs are for, like shirts, jeans and all that, yeah. Very impressed with it. See what I mean? It's going down in seconds because it's close and nearly dry. There's your arms to deal with. Holding it, doesn't it?
That's what I do yourself.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to show that line. I'll turn camera. And this is bed and bath program on new Heatpump Hotpoint. Still going down in seconds. I won't be holding this 4 hours.
Oh, no.
No, it turns off after 19 minutes. Don't forget camera.
Yeah.
So,
And 2 o'clock.
yeah, camera's too off. Some functions disabled by temperature rise.
That's all the stuff is.
Yeah. So I was just showing you when your clothes are nearly dry, it just goes down in seconds and not minutes. So don't worry about the time. If the time's right long, yeah, it's a cool dry to tell you the truth. I wish LG did that. I wish LG was this quiet. But